All right, so first day without snow. Last weekend was very rainy, and we're off to Kelso.
We're off to Kelso.
Segment 12. Yeah.
Woo! There would be sleeping in these various parts, the hearth, the fire basically.
No vertical, or we can't snowboard, but no, these guys. Oh, blue.
You're saying that's cool.
Yeah, I said the great thing is you can really focus on design. You don't have to. The huts are quite rustic. At least that was what I gathered from. Afternoon. Well, I mean, I guess we've been on part of it, like through Rattlesnake Point, but the excellent metrics for saying that he was successful. Like he's got real numbers that demonstrate a change. And how are you doing? I think it's about 1 kilometer or so, and then we enter into the Mount Nemo Conservation Area. Okay. I'm usually alone right here. Okay. This is a place where I very frequently get past, like right in this 100 meters here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Almost certainly. Or university. What is that? Well, this is actually with all this gravel around. All right, it's in the books.
We made it.
Yay, still light. No snow.